There is certainly some work that needs to be done with it, but there is also the ability to land in this build of the game. If you slow your ship down and then touch down on the surface with your speed less than 60 kilometers per hour, your ship will stop and land. It's not perfect though. If you are going too fast, your ship will bounce like a bouncing ball. This will be fixed in the future, but if you want to land just right, make sure you are going slow enough. To take off again, just increase your repulsor lift by clicking the right bracket key.